In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll start right in your web browser. In the address bar, type Notion and press Enter. You'll see search results from Google. Click the official Notion site. It should look clean and professional, and the domain will be Notion.so or Notion.com. This quick search route is helpful if you don't remember the exact URL or you're on a new device. Once the Notion homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Log In. Choose your preferred sign-in method and complete the prompt. If you use multiple workspaces, pick the one where your project lives so that your views and data appear in the right place. Give your dashboard a moment to load. A fresh session may briefly sync your pages. Now, let's use Notion AI to create a Gantt chart view. Open the page or database that holds your project tasks. If you don't see Notion AI right away, look for an option like Ask AI or a spark icon within the page. In your AI prompt, be specific so it can set you up correctly. For example, tell it to create a Gantt chart view for your project tasks and include the properties you need, such as task name, start date, end date, assignee, status, and optionally, dependencies. Clear inputs help Notion AI understand what to generate and which fields are essential for a timeline. If your database already has these properties, mention them by name. Consistency ensures the view connects to the right columns. If Notion AI suggests property names that don't match yours, quickly align them before continuing. When the AI finishes, review the suggested structure and confirm the details so dates are recognized as date properties and tasks appear as individual items. With your information in place, click on Gantt Chart View. You'll typically find this in the database's view switcher at the top left of the table or board. Select the Gantt or timeline option the AI created. You should now see tasks displayed as bars across a timeline. Use the zoom controls to switch between day, week, or month, depending on how detailed you want the plan to be. Drag the edges of a taskbar to adjust start or end dates, and move the entire bar to reschedule without opening each item. If you included groups like assignee or status, expand or collapse them to focus on what matters. Finally, rename the view to something clear, like Project Gantt, so it's easy to find later and you're all set.